Peering into the eyes of different animals, you'll see some extraordinarily shaped pupils. But why? It turns out that pupil shape is a powerful indicator of what role an animal plays in its ecosystem. Pupils mark the hollow opening in the iris, the eye's band of pigmented muscle. They're the portholes through which light enters the eye, where it then strikes the retina and activates light-sensitive cells, setting the process of vision in motion. Pupils are black because most of the light that enters them is absorbed. Their size changes in response to brightness, as well as certain drugs and emotional and mental states, but their basic form varies greatly among species. House cats, for one, are twilight hunters with vertically elongated pupils. In the dark, these structures expand dramatically, taking in the available light. When it's bright, they shrink into slits.